Most Shopify stores lose customers in silence. A visitor browses, has a question, gets no answer, and abandons their cart. Savalan Live Chat and AI Chatbot solves this by putting a tireless assistant on your store. It talks, recommends, follows up, and never sleeps. To get this running, we are going to navigate left to right across the dashboard to configure, train, and launch your automated support desk. You don't need any third-party software. The only step required to start is installing the app directly from your Shopify admin. When a shopper receives an immediate answer, they are far more likely to stay engaged and continue toward a purchase instead of exiting the store. Starting on the far left, the dashboard is your operational overview. You can monitor your limits using the plan usage progress bars and quickly confirm your setup is active by checking the green completed and installed status cards at the bottom. Moving to the Conversations tab, you have a complete archive of past interactions. The left sidebar lists recent chat threads and uses tags to show exactly which conversations were handled autonomously by the AI. For active visitors, the Live Chat tab is your real-time triage center. Verify your connection with the online status indicator, then click the Enable Sound button. This ensures you hear incoming alerts. Otherwise, agents risk missing customers asking for human help. When an agent does step in using the Take Over button, they inherit the full conversation history. Everything the AI and the customer discussed is visible in the right panel. This seamless handoff ensures your support team jumps in fully informed, and the customer never has to repeat their issue. Complex or unresolved queries automatically transition into the Tickets tab. Here, you can sort structured requests using priority labels like urgent or normal, and categorize them with tags like order modification. Inside a specific ticket, the Chat History context box displays the exact customer request. You can type a response, send an email directly, and update the resolution status using the right-hand dropdown. On the storefront side, the chat widget acts as a net. Before a conversation even begins, visitors are prompted to input their email and name on the welcome screen. Every contact captured flows into the Leads tab. You can review the compiled list here and use the Export CSV button to extract this data for external email marketing campaigns. Treating a chatbot strictly as a support tool leaves revenue on the table. Capturing visitor details upfront builds a continuous pipeline for sales. The Analytics tab measures your automated performance. The AI resolution rate progress bar shows how many chats required zero human intervention, while the conversation trend timeline tracks your overall engagement volume. To engage users proactively, open the Campaigns tab. Using these toggle switches, you can trigger the assistant to reach out based on specific behaviors, like exit intent, time spent on a page, or hovering on the cart page. You can tailor the outreach using the custom message fields. To protect the visitor experience, use the rate-limiting configuration at the bottom to restrict the maximum triggers per session and enforce cooldown periods. The Campaigns tab also houses the Auto Calendar function. When active, the widget autonomously adapts its visual design to match the dates in your enabled calendar themes list, preparing your store for events like Black Friday. Effective storefront automation predicts a customer's hesitation and intervenes to offer help before they decide to leave. The Products tab syncs your Shopify catalog with the AI. It references the synced product cards and the in-stock numerics to accurately recommend current inventory. For non-product questions, the Knowledge tab acts as the assistant's secondary brain. By manually inputting your store policies, shipping details, and FAQs, the bot learns how to handle operational inquiries. In the Customize tab, you align the bot with your store's identity. You can set the bot name, write a tailored welcome message, and use the primary color picker to match your visual branding. Before going live, you need to simulate a real customer interaction in the Test Chat tab. Use the storefront preview window to click the quick action buttons and interact with the message composer. Finally, use the Settings tab to verify your subscription limits in the current plan panel, adjust the language settings, and access official documentation. Setting clear boundaries, uploading accurate data, and testing the final interface ensures your bot operates as a reliable extension of your brand. We've covered the complete sequence, from basic operational monitoring through real-time triage to proactive marketing triggers and final testing. You now have a fully branded digital employee that works around the clock to manage initial support requests and prevent cart abandonment. Your first step is to open the Customize tab and input your specific brand colors. Then, navigate to the Test Chat tab to run a mock conversation and verify your responses. Deploying this automated infrastructure removes the daily friction of Level 1 support, giving you back the time you need to focus strictly on business growth.